Presenting the 2015 Ford Escape. It's powered by a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include a spoiler, an alarm system, roof rails, keyless entry, power liftgate, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, anti-lock brakes. Inside you'll find leather seats, Bluetooth connectivity, digital radio, Sirius XM satellite radio, an auxiliary input, remote start, steering wheel controls, a premium sound system, push button start, automatic climate control. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
These guys have bent over backwards to take care of me, and as a repeat customer, it's been amazing. I've had nothing but a great experience with dealing with Thoroughbred, and I recommend every one of my friends to come up here and buy a car from them.